Hi, it's me! Before we get started with this video, I have a really quick announcement. I applied to be part of the Sephora Squad! So Sephora Squad is this amazing opportunity to be part of a influencer team with Sephora. So basically doing what I'm already doing, but with Sephora. What more could I ask for? So there is a link down in the description. I would really so much appreciate it if you guys clicked on it and write a testimonial for me about, I don't know, say nice things. I can't tell you what to write, but about anything really. My artistry, anything you've learned from me, why you keep coming back to watch me. This really means a lot to me. This is something that I'm really excited for, something I really want to do, but I need help doing it. I can't do it all on my own. I need your guys' help too. So please, 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 click the link in the description and write a testimonial for me. I know some of you have already because you've seen it on some other social media, but for those of you who don't know, that's a thing that I did, and I would really appreciate it if you helped me out. Thank you guys so much. I love you so much. Let's get into this. Okay, I have my base done, my brows done, and my eyes primed, so we can just move on to fun stuff. I'm gonna start with cherry soda and put this in my crease and on this outer third-ish kind of area. And I'm not gonna worry about blending the edge too much because I'm gonna go in with something else and blend that later. So just that, like that. Next, I'm gonna take Fresh Meat, which is right next to the shade I just used, this one. I'm just gonna deepen up this outside corner a little bit. Not too much, because this is a little bit more like purpley red, and I don't want this look to turn purple. I want it to be red. So I'm just kind of flicking that in there. A little bit. Just like that. You see the difference? It gives you a little bit of depth, but it doesn't take away the red. Okay, and I did all of that with a Sephora Pro Tapered Crease. This is number 19. So now I'm going to switch to, oh, I was like, I don't have it. Yes, I do. Just didn't see it because it is so tiny. This is a Morphe M56. It's the teeny tiny bitty like blending brush that I'm in love with now. And I'm gonna pick up Prick, which is red, and use that to blend out the edges. There's a fluff on my brush. Okay, so I'm gonna pick up some of that, and I'm gonna go over the edge of cherry soda and just buff out those edges so it blends better like into my brow bone. There you go, you see how much better that looks? Just a little bit of blending. For the lid, I'm gonna take blood sugar. So I've basically just gone from like here to here. I'm gonna take blood sugar and put that on my lid. I just said that. Oh my god, yes. Oh, that was a Real Techniques, what is this? Space Shadow Brush. And now I'm picking up a pencil brush. This is the MAC 219. It's so faded, I couldn't see what number it is. But I'm gonna pick up cherry soda again with this. And then I'm just gonna run it all the way across my lower lash line. And then switch back to that itty bitty Morphe brush, pick up a little bit more Prick, the like red, and use that to blend the lower lash line. For my brow bone, I'm going to take Glucose, which is the white, and this is a Bdellium Tools 765. So just like a little fluffy angled brush. And I'm going to put this right under the brow. And it's okay if it turns a little pink where it meets the red shades. That's kind of what I want it to do anyways. Just as long as it's white right up underneath the brow. So I still get the highlight. There we go. And then I'm going to take a Sephora. This is the Pro Shader number 18. Teeny tiny itty bitty. I use this as a lip brush sometimes, but just a teeny tiny itty bitty brush. And I'm going to take Candy Floss, which is this shimmery pink here, and use that in the inner corner to highlight. So just right in there. Just like that. So that's the eyeshadow done. I know it looks crazy by itself, but don't worry. We're gonna, it'll get together. I'm gonna put black liner in my tight line and my waterline, curl my lashes. Where's my mascara? Apply mascara, and then I will be back to you. So here are the eyes done. See, it comes together when you have some mascara and some liner. It doesn't look like pink eye so much anymore, but wow. This looks fantastic. I am loving this. So let's move on to the face. And yes, I am wearing pajamas again. So, contour. Kevyn Aucoin sculpting pattern. Oh, my cat is laying on my brushes. Sorry. I need a little extra cheekbone for this look, so I'm going to contour maybe a little heavier than I would normally. There is hair going into my eye. Okay. Still doing just my cheekbones though. I'm not gonna do all of that. Oh, that was a, I'm gonna try and start remembering to tell you guys what brushes I'm using. That was a Luxie 504 large angled brush. And now I'm gonna do my bronzer. This is Chocolate Soleil, of course, and this is a Bdellium Tools 955. These Bdellium tools that I have, I don't know if you guys remember. I won these in a giveaway, and it's like a travel set of brushes, so they just have short handles. The cats are running around. Just gonna give my skin some color. Okay, for blush, I'm using my Hourglass Mood Exposure blush. This is it just says Danielle. I got a set of brushes from this company called Danielle. I'm pretty sure my cousin gave them to me for like Christmas or something. So it doesn't have a name. I just know the company is called Danielle. Just a large angled fluffy brush. So I'm just putting some blush on. And then to highlight, this is the NARS Orgasm Loose powder highlighter. Whew. And then this is a Real Techniques fan brush. So this is kind of going to be my, like a blush topper highlighter hybrid. So cheekbone up and around my brow. I'm also going to bring this down my nose. I'm going to pile it onto my Cupid's bow. I know not everybody likes to highlight their Cupid's bow as much as I do, but at least put some highlighter there. Alright, I'm not going to do too much with this though because I will turn pink. And then for lip, this is from Smashbox. This is one of their always on metallic liquid lipsticks, and this one is called Vino Noir. Ooh, so fancy. I'm taking my NARS highlight again. Dip some into the cap before I open it. And whoops, that was too much. And I just want to push this. This is a little darker than I wanted it to be, so I'm gonna just push it in the middle. Just to give it a little bit, do you see, like a little bit more like pink sheen to it, I guess is the word I'm looking for. It's in my mouth. That didn't taste good. Okay, yeah, that's more of what I wanted. So here is the finished look. I have no idea what I'm going to call this video. What's going on here? I have no idea what I'm gonna call this, but I really, oh, my hair and this, yes, oh my God. I love this so much. I'm really enjoying this. Wow, gorgeous. But yeah, so that is that. Please don't forget to write a testimonial for me. Please, please, please. It would mean so much to me if you guys just took like a minute, not even, to write a testimonial for me. I would really so much appreciate it. This is something that I really want to do. I am so excited, but I need your help. So please do that if you haven't already. And I'll see you soon. Bye.